beauties, I hope you're all having a beautiful, gorgeous day. So today, with the help of Bella, she's so short, she hardly reaches the frame. So today with the help of my dog Bella, this may be a first appearance by her. Hello, world Bella. So today I decided to film a video that I haven't done in years, to be honest. I've done one of these in the past and a lot of you seem to really like it, so I want to do one again. It's 10 things that girls love about guys, or 10 things that girls find attractive about guys. I did this years ago and it went really well, so I kind of wanted to do an update on it and kind of give new points and new perspective on this video, if that makes sense. I hope you videos enjoy. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Most importantly, don't forget to leave your opinions on these tips, your thoughts on them. Do you agree with them? Do you not? And I would love to hear them. I love you guys. Enjoy the video. Bye. Number one, it is so important for a guy to have a sense of humor, to, you know, throw in that sarcasm in there, to throw in those jokes, to just have a laugh. I mean, don't take yourself too seriously. It's the cutest thing when you can relate to a guy and his jokes and just the sarcasm, and it flows and you guys understand one another and it's not awkward, because let's be real, once the conversation gets awkward, it's going downhill from there. Number two, I've said this before and I'll say it again. The most sexiest thing a man can have is confidence. I'm not even kidding. You can take a guy that may not be perceived as the best looking, or he may not feel the best looking. I assure you, all guys are cute in their own way, by the way. And you give him confidence, you inject some confidence in him, and he can automatically become so much more attractive, so much more cool, so much more easygoing, and just easy to talk to, and just lovable. I feel like guys underestimate the power of confidence a lot, as well as girls, but for guys it's such a sexy key factor, and I think every guy should be confident because you're all amazing in your own way. I'm just here to make sure you all have confidence in your lives. Everyone loves someone that knows their self-worth. If you know how powerful you are, and if you know how confident you are, and if you know how amazing you are as a person, your key factors, your price in humanity, does that even make sense? Your price as a human kind of upscales. It's just amazing to have like a good self-worthy aspect of yourself in your life. Does that make sense? Number four, I cannot stress this point across more even if I tried. Intelligence, you guys. To have brains, to be educated, and not necessarily like, I don't mean you have to have like a master's, no, or you have to have a bachelor, no, but to have some intelligence in you, to have some education, some common sense in you is so appealing. It's so cute. It's like as soon as a guy opens his mouth and he knows what he's talking about, it's like, damn, like, where have you been all my life? I need you ASAP. Number five, it is so cute, it is so valuable when a man or a woman has focused goals. You have something to drive towards, you have something to aim towards. Like, it's amazing, it's so brilliant. And I think it's like the biggest turn on when a guy's like, oh, listen, this is my goal, this is what I'm going to do, this is what I've achieved so far, this is where I'm going, this is what's going to happen. It's like, damn, like, good on you, amazing, great. Number six, being independent isn't about owning your own house, owning your own car, owning your own who knows what. It's about having that confidence and those factors to kind of get up and be like, listen, I'm going to do this, I feel independent. Independent is all about, once again, it ties towards being confident, being self-driven, and I think that in itself is like the sexiest thing in the world. Number seven, having some dignity for yourself, towards yourself, and some self-respect, as well as respecting others, is the biggest turn on. I know I keep saying that word, but it really is. They say that you can judge someone by the way they treat the waiter. So if someone's very nice to your face and then turns around and is like, where's my coffee, bring me my latte, bring me my fries, bring me my chips, oh, where's my burger, that is like the rudest thing. The way someone treats other people around them is so reflective on how they are as a person, and I think it's so important for anyone. I'm not even just saying guys for girls, or girls for guys, or girls for girls, or guys for guys. Honestly, it's so important for everyone to have self-respect, respect others as well, have dignity towards yourself, and just like walk with dignity. Like, have pride in yourself, carry yourself with dignity. I said that word 5 times, but I mean every word that I said. Being polite and nice to people can completely make someone go from a 0 to a hero. You know what I mean? 0 here. Is that from Hercules? I don't know. 8. The sweetest thing. It's so cute when a guy supports someone else, or supports a different individual or a family member or a group of friends or a friend or anyone, it's just so nice to know that that support is there. So even if it's not for others, he can turn around and support you. I think that's the cutest thing, and that kind of shows when a man is more mature and he's not like, he's not a little boy anymore, he's like more of a man, and then he knows that he can support other people. That's sexy. Number 9, being positive is such a huge aspect in someone's life, and it can completely change the way that you think. It completely change your day, your mood. And I feel like if someone's positive, the way they treat others changes, the way they act changes, the way they work changes, the way their day evolves can completely go from this to this. It completely changes. So if you're positive, I feel like you will treat your girl better, you will treat your guy better. It's just such a great factor to have. It's such a key factor to have. Kind of look at the glass half full and not half empty all the time, because honestly, as cliche as it sounds, I don't care. I'm going to be branded as cliche. The world is such a beautiful place, and I'm not even just saying that. It truly is. I mean, look around you. You can literally become whoever you want to become. You can do whatever you want to do in life, and I think, is that not enough for anyone to be positive? So why not be positive in like relationships? And I feel like for girls, for guys, whoever out there, just look at the glass half full all the time, always. It's worth it. Number 10, I personally think it's one of the most important aspects in life. Girls love it, guys love it, everyone loves this, to have a good scent. I know, call me crazy. Isn't it like the biggest turn on when like a guy walks past and you're like, oh my god, that smell is amazing. And same goes for girls. I think when a girl has a nice perfume, doesn't it make her automatically more attractive? No? I just think scent is so amazing. It automatically attracts you to the guy, it attracts you more to the girl. I just think it's such a great way of life to just smell good, right? I hope you guys and girls really like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment below if there's any other factors that I missed out on, or if you agree or if you disagree, let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts and your opinions. What did I just say? I would love to hear your thoughts and your opinions. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat as well, so I can stalk you all. That's what I do. I love you guys so much. Until next time, bye.